leadership of the Trade Union Congress, and of course the National Caretaker Committee members. It's been a very successful meeting, sequel to the court judgment that recognized the interim National Working Committee, which INEC has also obeyed by uploading the names of the leadership of the National Working Committee on their website as of yesterday. Some of the major matters that we discussed today included the organization of congresses from the ward to the zonal level, culminating in the National Convention. A timetable has been set, and INEC has also been notified. Very soon, the congresses will happen, and then the National Convention will also take place. The other major issue we discussed is the revalidation of membership and registration of new members. A committee has been set up, and very soon that will also take effect. It is going to be preparatory to the congresses that will start in March. We also regretted the exit of the former leader of the party, former presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, CON. While we regret the exit and wish him well, we have also resolved that the party should come together and become a stronger force. We have also lost a few members to defection, some in the National Assembly, including some members of the interim National Working Committee who have been replaced. But in spite of that, the party remains strong. We also decided that we need to set up a reconciliation committee. The interim National Working Committee will advise us of when they have set up that committee, and the whole idea is to reconcile everyone who is willing and desiring to come back to the party. When I issued a statement within the week, I had called on the Julius Abure and his team to shed their sword and come back to the party once they are willing to abide by the rules of the party. We are happy to receive them back. We also want to call on all other Nigerians who are willing to join the party, that our doors are open and we are happy to receive them. Finally, we regret that we may not be able to participate as a party in the forthcoming FCT election as time has gone. I think before this time, a lot of activities had happened. So subsequent elections will participate and participate strongly. So I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone who has stood by this party and assure them that the party can only be stronger. So let me wish all of you a happy new year, even though today is the last day of January. But the year is still new. I want to thank the interim National Working Committee chairman and her team for remaining resilient and courageous, and also thank them for the quick steps they have taken to put everything together, and assure them that we will give them 100% support that they require to make this party a stronger party. Thank you so much. At the moment, he's no longer a member of Labour Party, and he has joined another party. So we are not in a position to say what will happen tomorrow, but at least we can say what is happening today. And what is happening today is that he is no longer a member of our party. And it is a decision he took from what he told me after consulting and thinking about it. So it wasn't a decision that he rushed into. So it is safe to say, to wish him well, like I did, because we wish him well. Thank you.
The last question. Discussion for alignment and coalition ahead of 2027 general election. I want to know, are you planning to join the coalition? Thank you.
Well, Labour Party is a coalition by itself. A coalition of Nigerian workers and people who are progressive-minded. So I don't know what you mean by joining another coalition when we are already a coalition. We have no such plans. Okay? All right, thank you.
There is victory.
All right, thank you.